Hey everybody, it's Chris again. Well, this is what happened to my roof. I was trying to get the paper on, and we get some real bad winds out here. And this last week when I put this stuff up, I was hoping we wouldn't, and we did, of course. Man, it was about, I want to say 70, 80 mile an hour winds out here. And that's what, look at, there's nothing to block it. I'm up on top of my roof right now, and this is my view from the back of my house. So, I mean, you can see there's nothing to block it. You can probably hear the wind. But this wind should stop here soon, and take my time and see what I can get done. I'm already starting on this side over here, getting some more paper rolled out. And we're gonna put that metal down there, up here. You can see, look. There's metal over there, metal over there, and metal over there, and all in here. That big unit is all my siding. But like a knucklehead, I didn't cover my siding, my metal, and the damn things went flying. And I believe, if I'm correct, I only really lost well, about 4 sheets. So I'm probably out about $150 on those 4 sheets of metal. Should be able to work with the rest of them. Just a pain in the butt. Really, all it is a pain in the butt. Anyways, my help should be here soon. My dad and some friends are coming over to give us a hand. They're my lazy dogs. But just wanted to give you kind of a before, and I'll record another after, and maybe post some pictures. Okay guys, gotta get back to work. We'll see you later.